Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Now we are going to make everyone's favorite dish, pizza. Now for making this, take half cup all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 tablespoon baking soda, 1/2 tablespoon butter or ghee, 1/4 tablespoon sugar, 3 tablespoon curd, and mix well. Trust me, this is the best dish I've done so far. Add little water and make it as a dough. Knead well and cover it with a damp cloth and rest it for 20 to 25 minutes. See, now this dough is so soft and ready to make pizza. Now take any baking tray or even a plate, grease it with butter and add the pizza dough to it. Use any glass or tumbler and spread the dough well to cover the edges. Add 1 tablespoon pizza sauce, or you can use tomato sauce, and spread over it. Add 1 tablespoon mayonnaise and spread well. Add 1 big round chopped onion, 1 chopped tomatoes, 1/2 chopped capsicum to it. The quantity of pizza dough depends as your wish. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per your family members. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Add corn, green peas, raw peanuts or roasted peanuts to it. This sounds really good, right? Okay. Now add cheese slices or grated cheese to it. Add 1/2 tablespoon pepper powder and chili flakes. I forgot to say that add little salt while making the dough. Now heat a idli pan or heavy bottom pan, adding salt at the bottom. And place a stand, bake it for 10 minutes at medium to low flame. After 10 minutes, see, it looks beautiful. Now use a knife or pizza cutter and cut into desired shapes. So tasty and yummy. You can skip adding peanuts, but if you add it tastes delicious. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is totally my recipe and it came out really well. So I wanted to share with you. I hope you like this pizza. If you want no cheese pizza recipe, then comment below. Let me make a video on it. You must try this recipe and provide your lovely comments. Remember that you are the best. Take care. Bye. See you on next video.